Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on viewing full-size Instagram profile pictures on iOS. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening the Instagram app and finding the profile that you want to view. On their profile, tap the three dots button at the top right and then select Copy Profile URL. Next, open Safari and paste the URL. Highlight the profile image by holding your finger down on it and then select Copy. Next, open the Notes app and start a new note. Hold down and paste into the note. The full-size image will be on the note, and you can tap it to see it full screen and zoom in on it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Instagram tips and tricks.